Imagine two people. They both earn the same salary. They both live in the same city. They even graduated from the same university. Fast forward 10 years. One owns investments, earns passive income, and has complete financial freedom. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck, stressed every month about bills. What happened? Was one simply luckier? Not really. The biggest difference wasn't how much money they earned. It was what they stopped doing. The truth is, becoming rich isn't only about making more money. It's about eliminating the habits that quietly destroy your wealth every single day. In this video, you'll discover the 10 biggest financial habits that keep millions of people broke, and what successful people do instead. Let's begin. One of the fastest ways to stay broke is trying to look rich. Many people receive a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A bigger apartment. A newer phone. A more expensive car. Designer clothes. Luxury vacations. Instead of increasing their wealth, they increase their expenses. The wealthy understand something different. Every extra dollar doesn't have to be spent. It can be invested. Looking rich and becoming rich are completely different goals. The truly wealthy often live far below their means because they know every dollar invested today can multiply tomorrow. I'll start investing next year. I'll save money when I earn more. I'll begin once everything feels stable. Sound familiar? The perfect time almost never arrives. There will always be another excuse. The power of investing isn't about perfect timing. It's about time itself. Starting with a small amount today is usually far more valuable than waiting years to invest a larger amount. Every year you delay is a year your money isn't working for you. Most people spend their income on things that lose value. The newest smartphone. Luxury clothes. Expensive gadgets. A car they can't really afford. These things may bring temporary happiness. But they rarely build wealth. Assets are different. Stocks. Index funds. Rental properties. Businesses. Digital products. Assets have the potential to generate more money over time. Poor people often buy things that cost money. Wealthy people focus on buying things that make money. Social media has created a dangerous illusion. Everyone seems successful. Luxury vacations. Expensive watches. Fancy restaurants. Brand new cars. What you don't see is the debt behind many of those lifestyles. Trying to impress people who aren't paying your bills is one of the most expensive habits you can develop. The richest people often care less about appearing wealthy, and more about becoming financially secure. Real wealth is freedom, not attention. Imagine your entire financial life depends on one paycheck. Now imagine losing that job tomorrow. That's the reality for millions of people. Wealthy individuals rarely depend on only one income source. They build multiple streams. Investments. Dividends. Rental income. Side businesses. Online businesses. Royalties. Freelancing. Every additional income stream increases financial security. If one slows down, the others continue working. Many people believe budgets are restrictive. In reality, a budget gives you freedom. Without one, money quietly disappears. Small daily purchases. Subscriptions you forgot about. Impulse shopping. Food delivery. Coffee runs. Individually, they seem harmless. Together, they can consume thousands of dollars every year. Successful people tell their money exactly where to go. Most people simply wonder where it went. Credit cards can be useful. But high-interest debt is one of the biggest enemies of wealth. Imagine earning 10% from investments, while paying 25% interest on debt. you're moving backward. Before trying to build serious wealth, eliminate expensive debt whenever possible. The less money you lose to interest, the more money stays in your pocket. Everyone wants fast results. That's why scams continue to spread. Crypto promises, fake investment opportunities, secret trading systems, guaranteed profits. If becoming rich were easy, everyone would already be wealthy. Real wealth usually grows slowly. Consistent investing, learning valuable skills, building businesses, making smart financial decisions over many years. Patience often beats shortcuts. Schools teach mathematics, history, science, languages, but very few teach personal finance. That means your financial education becomes your responsibility. Read books. Watch educational videos. Learn investing. Understand taxes. Study business. The more you understand money, the better decisions you'll make for decades. Knowledge creates opportunities that ignorance never will. Consumers ask, "What can I buy?" Investors ask, "How can this make me money?" This single shift in thinking changes everything. Before making a purchase, ask yourself one question. Will this increase my wealth? Or simply increase my expenses? The richest people constantly think about ownership. Owning businesses. Owning investments. Owning assets. Not simply owning more stuff. That's one of the biggest mindset differences between those who build wealth and those who spend every dollar they earn. Here's the good news. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight. You don't need a six-figure salary. And you don't need to win the lottery. Building wealth starts with changing small habits. Spend less than you earn. Invest consistently. Avoid unnecessary debt. Keep learning. Build assets. Create multiple income streams. The decisions you make today can completely change where you are 10 years from now. So ask yourself, which of these habits are you ready to stop today? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical finance lessons that can help you build long-term wealth, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.